Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin is messing around here a little bit. No clear direction today. It was a pretty flat day in terms of price movements. We talked about the higher level pattern in the previous two videos, so I'm only gonna focus here on the short term after the daily candle close, and again, not too much happened. But if we zoom in, so what can we see here? Still corrective, yeah, no indication that we are really breaking out other than maybe a breakout of this descending trend line. Well, obviously, however, we are not really moving up too strong at the moment, and eventually this move here still looks corrective. Surely you could count it maybe here as a 1-2-1-2 setup. So for example, and I might revise that from the previous video, it doesn't really matter. So we could count that here maybe as a 1-2 here and another 1-2, but I won't label that because it's not reliable anyway. This is micro counting. So obviously against this wave 2 low here, we could focus on higher, maybe even against this low, 22,658, because this could also be a small 1-2 setup, but now it really needs to follow through. And as mentioned in the previous video, I think this target, if I put that wave 1 here, the target to the upside would be 23,838. This 1.618 extension, the minimum target, always have to say that. But again, it just needs to move now. It needs to move, and it's still stuck sort of in that price action. It did break out briefly above the previous wave B high, but not substantial enough to really talk about a substantial breakout. And yeah, next target for the bulls needs to be to break above the 23,380 level. Then at least we are most likely in this fifth wave. And I would expect that to happen soon if this is the correct count. We've broken above the trend line. We've actually retested. We've seen a bullish engulfing candle. So, things are starting to look good. But obviously price action wise, this is not enough yet. But yeah, we're hovering above the support level. We haven't even come close to the 22K level. As long as Bitcoin is above the 22K level, the likelihood to the upside to put this fifth wave in is high. Breaking below it, yeah, even if we only go to 21,500, it will significantly reduce the probability that we get this fifth wave. So that's basically where we are. And I hope this isn't getting, you could say that we've got here an impulsive price channel, or possibly if you connect this wave 4 low with the wave 2, you can sometimes do that, get an impulsive price channel here to the upside. And you could argue that as long as we are in this channel, we could continue to focus here on higher. So you've got maybe a bit of an ascending trend line here. I'm not sure, it's not too much of a relevant one, but you can connect in Elliott Wave. If you connect wave 4 and wave 2, the lows, then you get this sort of price channel. It's not how you would draw it ideally in traditional technical analysis, because here you have your fake out, but sort of where we are. Let's see if that is a good indication. Sometimes you have between the low of the wave 2 and the low of the wave 4 a hidden bullish divergence. We don't see that at the moment here, so it's not really any hint that confirms the wave count, because sometimes when you have that and you have a higher low here, you have a lower low on the indicator, indicates that an uptrend is coming, so-called hidden bullish divergence. Don't see that at the moment, so we're hanging a little bit in the air, and maybe tomorrow we've got a bit more of a volatile day, and certainly towards the end of the week we should do, and I talked about in the Ethereum video that I might actually do a live stream on Friday when we've got the release of core PCE, and then on Monday, no, it's not Monday, it's Tuesday or Wednesday, when we've got on the 1st of February the interest rate decision of the Fed. Here the plan still is, or let's say the market expectation still is 25 basis points. Massive, sort of most people expect that over 50 basis points. Yeah, I think it's like 90% probability, you could say, or 95% it was last time I checked on the FedWatch tool, that we get that. Yeah, now we are back above 23K, so maybe we're getting this third wave up, but yeah, it's quiet, so not a lot of volume down there as well. So maybe there is a bit more action tomorrow. So yeah, sorry, can't really report too much more, but I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.